Yeah, happy morning, second year students. Now I am going to take website design. Why I decided to take this web design before discussing two usability and accessibility, navigation and animation, graphics. Before that, some informations about web design. That's what I started web design. So normally web design, say for example, you see all the websites .com. It is an company .com, one type of websites, .edu and then .in, .org. Here .com only majorly focused. So you want to build a website, this all may be education, maybe company related, maybe organizational related, maybe information, IN. So these type of website URL is very famous. You have to start build websites using this types: education, company, organization, and then .in. So normally our college sitcoe.org.in, both organization .info. So you basically don't forget about these types. What is a website? A presentation tool. Presentation tool means you can download lot of informations from the websites, maybe PPT, so that it used to do presentation tool, a way to communicate. So the way to communicate means lot of informations are there that very much useful to communicate others and some of you students. Learning tools means same informations, lot of informations available in the web, so it is you treat as learning tools. Entertainment too, also a lot of movies and Facebook, WhatsApp, lot of things are there in internet, not in website. Teaching tool, the teaching tool, now I am recording the informations, so pass on to you. Before that, teaching tool, PPT presentation, projector presentation and board through via board or PPT, so it is a teaching tool. So maybe information collected from websites and marketing important. So this marketing important tools easily, say for Flipkart and Amazon. So you see the offer today, then you are ordering the items immediately. So that marketing is very important. Immediately you will receive one message, today is offer so and so. Then if you want, immediately you are ordering the item in Amazon or Flipkart. So that website is always, it is a presentation tool and to way to communicate, and also you treat like learning tool and a teaching tool for us, and making important marketing important tools. Marketing important tools is, it is Amazon and Flipkart. Step 1, website design. Think, already discussed in some video. Think, so that is for thinking informations will help to increase the customers. So you develop information or you discuss with client or customer, you collect some useful informations, so that will help to develop websites very effectively. So the before you anything else, you need to spend time think about the website. What is the purpose of web page site? What is the purpose means business development purpose only, or uploading some information to Google? No. So that is Google engine, that is separate topic. Website means some information is available, some marketing ethics available, some educational information is available, some you can download whatever you want, all the things available in Google. Who's your target audience? Only customer is the target audience. So you can enter offer and you can send proper message to the customer to reach the audience. So customer. So what will bring your audience back? So they will come to your shop means they will purchase some items. Because of that, so your monetarily benefits will increase. Where will your audience be using the sites? So many places based on the informations you can they automatically been using in the sites audience. Okay, so this is the step 1 web design. Step 2, follow the rules. So create a website, you must follow these rules. So you are not the user. Rule 1. Rule 2, you are not professional. Rule 3, give the common user little control. Here you are not user. Rule 1. What you understand is not what a user will understand. Ask the user to design the site the way they want. Some customers, they don't have idea to develop websites, no knowledge about websites, and what user will understand. User they know the functionality, they will tell how to function, how to increase their customer, but they don't know. So you are not the user. And ask the user to design the site the way they want. But client ask the user to design the site way they want. So they will give information, they will give idea. Based on that, they design the site. Whatever they want, they tell to the users. User should design the site the way they want. And user are not professional. Same thing, some points. User will not think carefully about the new added features in the website without your directions. So user always think about carefully. So new added features, sometimes they will give some information, client, the website without your direction. So user are not a professional. So if professional means it is not happen. So the new added features with your knowledge only with your direction only make all the corrections. That is rule 2. Rule 3. Give the common user a little control. Allow the user some choice. The ability to control color and theme on their account. They will give attractive informations also. Attractive color they want. They want to change some attractive color in the websites. Allow the user. So you can simply allow the user some choice and ability to control the color and theme on their account. On their account only, not for websites. On their account, allowed to control the color and theme. Step 2. Follow the rules. Rule number 4. Make sure the visual content of the site related to its function. Visual content means everyone know graphics. So that's what before handling that title I took website design. Visual effect means the nice looking design must enforce the website functionality. So nice looking means some graphical informations, some animations may enforce the website functionality, increase the website usability also. So the rule 5, respect GUI and web interface conventions. Rule 5. GUI, graphical user interface. Design need respect conventions of navigation choice, the navigation placement, color and so on. So here navigation title is there. That is comes under rule 5. GUI, graphical user interface and interface convention. This respect the conventions of navigation choices. And rule number 6. Here, know and respect the web and internet medium constraints. Do not ignore any information, any difference in the emerging web medium, color reproductions, bandwidth limitations, and so on. Do not ignore difference in emerging medium. So maybe it is color reproduction, bandwidth limitations, and so on. This is rule number 6. Step 3. Go on a roundup. Here locate image, file, animation, so that you might use and place them in your www. So I already expressed www means World Wide Web. Everyone know before entering URL www.website sitecoe.org.in. It is the it is a URL. It is important that all files be in the same folder. So either it is file, animation file or anything, it is in the same folder. That is called go on a roundup. If you are going to work at home or some place other than university computer lab, create a www URL on hard drive. Not www, create on hard drive and USB drive, either it is pen drive or all the informations in single folder sent through mail. All possibilities are there. So go with information. Go with information means maybe external device or otherwise through mail. You have to maintain some place. Maintain all the information. All the informations means the website development, the client will give some information, that information is in the folder, and they will give some images, they will give some files. Then animation part, you develop attractive animations, that everything keeping in one folder, maybe USB drive or it is in mail. You have to keep ready in all the time. Then only the client will ask any doubt at any time. So that time you have to clarify the doubts and update the informations in the website. Here step 4. Open website designing tool like Dreamweaver is an excellent designing tool, and front page, then SeaMonkey. So and start design your web design. So here this is a tool, website design tool, familiarly using Dreamweaver and front page. I don't know much idea about SeaMonkey. Save work often. You save your time. Typically we name the home page in a website index.html. So the front page always start with HTML. In second unit we'll see one by one. So they will start first program hello world. So that we'll discuss in second unit after 3 topics, important topics. After that we'll discuss exercise, HTML exercises. So our subject is theory 2 hour practical. So the practical aspect will discuss second, third and fourth unit. Something to remember: you do not have the layout control in a web edit, so that you do in Word or PowerPoint. So layout you have to see, PPT also some layout, website also some layout also discussed in one of the video recording. So the web editor that you do in Word or PowerPoint. Layout you have to do Word or PowerPoint. So that layout is very important. Therefore the web designer used table to control the layout of their pages. And if you set the border of the table, so this is second exercise of HTML. So table creations using HTML. So you can see outline of the table in the web browsers. Here table control layout of the pages. See table control. Here the table is there. It is created in Word. You will get very frustrated if you try to design a web page without table. Your graphic will not appear where you want them. So the graphical is not appeared. Graphical will not appear where you want them. So here table control layout of their pages. The border of the table to 0 width. Here left hand side 0 width, and you cannot see the outline of the table in the web browser. Outline of the table in the, so outline here table means 1 2 3 4 5 6 column. So wherever you want to edit or wherever you want to paste, you can paste using this table control. So here naming web files, use all lower cases. So what is the purpose means? It is easy to communicate the URL to others. Do not have space in file name. File name do not have any spaces. Why means old browsers cannot handle the space. You should rename the graphic files if they have space. Any spaces are there, rename. No space, not do not have space in file name. So this will create not uploading, then not fit into the website, like that will go. So try to keep file name as short as possible. Some limited, it prevent error in typing in the URL. So SIT is UAE, Sarath Institute of Technology, College of Engineering.org.in. How much difficult? You try to give the file name or URL very short. sitsuae.org.in. So this prevent error in typing URL. So URL unified. So universal resource locator is an URL. It is in site address. URL of Hotmail is www.hotmail.com. So Gmail, www.gmail.com. So this is an URL, unified resource locator, that is called URL. Don't forget this name. They keep on will ask either Viva questions, whether external they asking some questions in practical class, all time they will ask about URL. So type of web pages. So any website composed from a set of web pages. So the set of web pages already I said .com, .edu, .in, .html. Okay. Some of those pages are static. Some of those pages are dynamic, while other pages are dynamic. So here a type of web pages website, it is in cnn.com. So then that web page is cnn.com/login.asp. So next one web page is cnn.com/news.html. So another web page is cnn.com/sports.html. Here HTML files also is there, ASP files also is there. Here the dynamic pages all used ASP. So ASP it is in .NET product, Microsoft product. This will take username and password and check it is to allow login. Here static pages with no interactions that user will only read and close if. So this is the three different, first .com, then ASP.NET, then HTML. It is an example only given. So the type of web pages, static and dynamic only. You don't forget about static and dynamic. So that is the entire subject. Static and dynamic is very important. Some banking application, some part only static, some part it is dynamic. Dynamic means you don't change at any thing. So but static, your amount entered now, so that you keep on change. So sometime you transfer 15,000, sometime you transfer 25,000, that no matter. So that you can edit, that is all static pages. Web development language and tools. So here web development languages, HTML only we are studying. DHTML also, XHTML it is most advanced. These all languages and tools is developed by W3C. So that is very important. W3C means World Wide Web Consortium. So don't forget about the HTML, DHTML, XHTML, XML, all tools is invented by W3C. Next one is Java. JavaScript. Java is separate language. You can use any web development or anything network based or anything, you can use Java. Web design tool, example front page and Dreamweaver. So So front page already we were discussed about. It is an excellent tool, Dreamweaver. Scripting language, JavaScript. So our subject, HTML, CSS, and then JavaScript only going to study. Next one is Cascade Style Sheets, that is the CSS. Fifth one is XML. So it is so on, lot of tools are there. So our subject is needed only HTML, then web design tool, front page or Dreamweaver, scripting language, JavaScript, Cascade Style Sheets, CSS. If not needed, it is advanced. It is developed by W3C Consortium, XML. Chemical markup language, mathematical markup language, lot of markup languages are there. They are all invented by W3C. Those who are invented by HTML, no, 7% it is invented by XML also. Let's go to build a websites. Here user use design template. The good advice, do not reinvent the wheel. So why? Because they use pre-designed template and download lovely icon and background and image from the internet. Use free background script. So these are all useful information to do websites easy. Let's go into Microsoft front page or Dreamweaver and learn how to build powerful websites. Once you build, what is the usage? After that, usability and accessibility, what is the use? And then navigation, what is the use? And then graphics and animation. So the more attractive web page you need, you are going to develop, means these all things are essential to update the websites or develop websites. Then this topic is over. Next slide we'll see one by one. Only 3 topics in first unit. After completions of that 3 topics, we'll see the exercise. Based on the list of exercise, we'll explain one by one. Exercise one by one. Thank you very much.